Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Here, look for YouTube banner. If you can find your YouTube banner type or category from this list, it's better. Let's make a gaming YouTube banner. There are many YouTube banner templates you can choose from. Let's work with this one. For example, the templates with this pro tag needs or requires to have a pro Canva membership, or just try Canva Pro for 30 days for free. I will design this template. Now to edit this template, you can just double click the text and you can fill in your channel name. For example, Ben's Experience. To make this text smaller, just select it like that. Double click it to select it and make it smaller, just like that. Now let's say that you want to make this photo bigger. Just select it first and tap on this little circle on this corner, and you can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to make this photo and also its background bigger or smaller at the same time, just select both of them like that. Or let's first select the background layer, then keep holding the shift key on your keyboard and click on the top photo. Now I have two photos selected. With the right button of your mouse, you can group them. Now if I resize the photo, both of the photos are resized at the same time. If you want to delete a text element or any element on your page, just select it by tapping on the text or the element like that and hit the delete button on your keyboard. Same thing. Let's clean this template. For example, I don't upload every weekend, so I will delete this text element. Let's say that I want to make this subscribe button big. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's say that I want to make this subscribe button bigger. I just resize it like with the text element. Let's say that I want to remove this banner. Just select it, hit delete, and you can upload a photo from your library. And or if your photo or background photo is existing on your computer, click on upload files, locate it on your computer and double click it just like that. Now it is uploading to YouTube, to Canva. Click on it like that and you can resize it to take the same size of your template. Now to move this background photo to backward, just keep or just select it and go to position, and from this new side panel click on backward. You can keep clicking on backward on or just use a single click on to back. And now this is a new background. I think this is all for how to create a YouTube banner. Don't forget to click on share or to export your photo to your computer. Click on share from this corner. Click on download. Select PNG or GPG. I will go with GPG and click on download. And wait a moment. And let's preview and this is how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.